Vaginal infections don't directly delay your periods, but they can influence your cycle. Hi guys, this is Nurse Goodness and welcome back to Nana Fem Body Guide, where we teach you how to listen to your body. A vaginal infection simply means the imbalance of germs in your vagina. Normally, your vagina hosts good bacteria and yeast that keep each other in check. They are called the normal flora. Things like antibiotics, tight clothing, or new bacteria can disrupt this balance. Common infections like yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, or even some STIs do not interfere with your ovaries or your hormones. These infections don't directly cause a late period. This is because your periods are controlled by your hormones. However, these vaginal infections can cause a little disturbance to your hormones, indirectly affecting your cycle. They may cause cramps, spotting, or changes in your discharge. Generally, having an infection is stressful on the body. When there's an infection, inflammation occurs. This inflammation triggers your body's stress response. This is usually the release of the stress hormone called cortisol. Now, high levels of cortisol can delay periods or cause lighter periods. The cortisol can affect the signals that normally trigger ovulation. Also, inflammation in the pelvic area can make bleeding heavier or cramps more painful. Sometimes, the infections can be mild and be a one-time occurrence, so it has no impact on your cycle. But a recurring infection that causes inflammation may affect your cycle. If you notice a strong odor, itching, burning, unusual clots, or changes in your cycle alongside infection signs, please see a healthcare provider. Untreated infections can sometimes affect your cycle long-term and even impact infertility. Now you know that while vaginal infections do not directly delay your periods, they might play a role or two in changing your cycle, but they are not always the sole reason for a delay. Always listen to your body and seek care when something feels unusual. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.